Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to customize the cart button on WordPress blocksy. Alright, so we can change the cart button icon and how the cart actually looks like by going into our customizer. So let's head over here on our top toolbar, click on Customize, and that should take us to the WordPress customizer. Okay, and now we're going to go on our left-hand sidebar over here, click on Header, and it gives us our header editor. And if the cart icon isn't there, we can scroll down here and see that cart is over here. Okay, so we can move our cart icon to the middle if we wanted to, and you can see from here it's going to move over here left of the sidebar. We can move it anywhere where there are these blue dots. You can see it's now over here. Let's just put it back where it was originally, which is on the right hand side of the search bar. Okay, and let's go ahead and click on cart, and you can see it brings us to the cart tab. Now we have top level options here, so we have icon source, which is default, and when we're under default we can use these. Well, we're given 6 types of icons to choose from, and you can see it changes depending on which one we choose. And alternatively, we can choose a custom icon source, right? We can change the icon to something from here. So let's say let's use the Bitcoin logo as our card icon, and you can see it turns into that. Or we can upload an icon from our library, and we can use let's say this truck one, and you can see it's now a truck. And if it's too small to see, we can change the icon size here, and we can change the icon size different on mobile, tablet, desktop. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll keep this here, and we can change the icon badge. So the icon badge is the little pop-up here that shows you how much items you have in your cart, and we can turn on label visibility, and the label, excuse me, is going to be anything you can customize. So we can have it as price, or we can put this as your items, right? And we can put this at the right or on the bottom, right? And we can toggle this on and off on our the preview or display depending on which device we're using. And we have here over here our cart drawer, and that's what this is, right? Let's go back home, and well, we can do this, and you can see drop down offset. If we move this over here, you can see it goes down even more, and if we put this over here, you can see it goes up. So I'll put this over here at 50, and you can see it's all the way down over here. And then image ratio, we have a 1:1 over here. We can make it 16:9, and you can see it's a smaller image here, and so on and so forth. We have our design here. So for our cart drawer, we have our background color, our font color, our subtotal color. I'll make this a dark red here, and you can see it's dark red. It's a bit hard to read, so let's just make everything white, or like gray, I guess, gray. Okay, and you can see it looks a bit different now, and when we hover over it, it kind of gets grayed out. Okay, and then next we have top level options, and you can see we have our fonts here and our colors, and you can see icon color. We have different colors here, and it's not working because we're using a custom icon. And then badge color, we can change this to red as well, and you can see icon the badge changes there. And then margin, if it was too far up, let's say 35 pixels, move it down, or from the top, let's move it 55. You can see it moves it down a bit, and you can adjust that as you please. Now, once you're happy with your changes, click on Publish, and let's head over to our site and reload it. Okay, so here's our old cart and cart drawer. Let's reload our site, and as you can see, we have successfully customized it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Share this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.